Hi, good morning. So today I'm going to show you how to actually plant a microgreens. Right. So I have taken this container. Okay. I have made small holes in it. You can see I have made small holes, and that's all. You can take any container that you want, and I'll be putting coco peat in it. So I have a tray of coco peat which I'll be adding into this, a thin layer. Compress it. Okay, so that the roots will get some grip on the soil, right? Once this is done, okay, half an inch of coco peat, and you need to spray water on it to make it wet. So I have this syringe, so I'm using it to, water it. You can use a spray bottle or simply your hand as well, right? Just make it moist. Don't have to worry about the quantity and all. Okay, it should get wet. That's all. Moist it well. It is moist now. You can see the water, right? It is quite moist. Now I've sprouted mung beans. They are sprouted, right? So the mung beans are the most easiest microgreen that you can grow. Take some in your hand and just spread it evenly. Spread them with your hand. Okay, you don't have to be perfect, but yeah, make sure there is no rotten microgreen or mung beans on it. Okay, spread them. Yeah, so I have spread them evenly, and I'll put a layer of coco peat again on it. Just put a thin layer of coco peat on top of it. Okay, don't push this time. Just make sure that it is covered. Okay, and again you have to spray water on top of it. My spray bottle is not working, so I'm using the syringe. Otherwise, the best way to make it wet is using a spray bottle. But it's okay. You have to make sure it is wet. That's all. You don't have to care what you use, just make sure it is well and moist. You can use hand as well. It is totally wet. We have washed the cocoa peat with the uh, moong, sprouted moon, right? That's all you have to do. Next is what I'll do is I'll take a cloth, piece of cotton cloth. I'll cover it. I'll cover it like this. It's not necessary actually. It's not at all necessary, but still you can do this. And for till the blackout time, you can keep a cloth for 2 days, for one day, 24 hours. I will keep this cloth, and it'll add some weight on it. So I'll put something on top of it, maybe a bottle or a glass of water, and that's all. You have to just keep it, and I'll show you after what happens after 24 hours. So that's all, my friends.